This tutorial river will show you how to create linear spiral in Illustrator. First of all, click on View and click on Snap to Point. Click and hold Line Segment tool and select Polar Grid tool. Now click on a blank space. I'm gonna giving concentrate dividers 10, radial divider 0, okay. Now select Durate Selection tool. Now I'm gonna selecting the half part and click on Edit, Cut. Again click on Edit. Click on Paste in Place. And I'm gonna moving these to the right side. So that's how we can create linear spiral in Illustrator. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.